Whether you're into aerial photography, racing, or just flying for fun, the latest drones offer incredible features that elevate your flying experience. From top-notch cameras and long flight times to intuitive controls and advanced safety features, 2025's drones have it all. We've compiled a list of the top drones to help you find the best one for your needs. Let's dive into the best drones of 2025. Number 6. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is an affordable and compact drone that delivers an impressive flying experience for beginners and hobbyists alike. Despite its small frame, it's packed with features that make it stand out in its class. The Mini 3 offers 4K video recording and 12-megapixel photos, producing vibrant imagery and crisp footage. With up to 38 minutes of flight time, it's perfect for extended shoots without frequent recharges. Intelligent flight modes, such as quick shots and smart RTH, return to home, simplify the flying experience, making it easier to capture cinematic footage. Its lightweight design, combined with user-friendly controls, makes it a great choice for those new to drone flying or anyone looking for an easy-to-use, reliable model. Pros: compact and lightweight design, 4K video and 12-megapixel photo quality, intelligent flight modes for easier flying, 38 minutes of flight time. Cons: limited obstacle avoidance sensors, no obstacle sensors on the sides. Number 5. Skydio 2. The Skydio 2 is a game-changer when it comes to autonomous flying and obstacle avoidance. Equipped with industry-leading 360-degree obstacle sensors, it's perfect for capturing smooth, cinematic footage even in challenging environments like dense forests or tight spaces. The Skydio 2's 12-megapixel camera shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second, producing stunning footage that rivals more expensive models. Thanks to its intelligent autonomous flight modes, such as Follow Me and Orbit, it can effortlessly follow moving subjects and navigate complex environments. While it's on the pricier side, its superior obstacle avoidance technology and smooth flight experience make it an excellent choice for professional videographers and adventurers. Pros: industry-leading obstacle avoidance system, 4K video at 60 frames per second and 12-megapixel photo quality, intelligent autonomous flying modes, excellent for action shots and challenging environments. Cons: expensive compared to other drones, limited remote control range. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evio Lite Plus. The Autel Evio Lite Plus is a standout mid-range drone that offers an excellent combination of camera quality and performance. Equipped with a 50-megapixel camera and the ability to shoot 6K video, this drone provides exceptional image clarity and sharpness. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, it offers impressive endurance for extended shoots. The 3-axis gimbal ensures steady and smooth footage, even in windy conditions or during sharp turns. The Evio Lite Plus also features intelligent flight modes like Dynamic Track, which makes capturing moving subjects a breeze. While its larger size makes it less portable than smaller drones, it offers fantastic image quality and a solid range, making it ideal for both hobbyists and semi-professional content creators. Pros: 50-megapixel camera and 6K video quality, 40 minutes of flight time, 3-axis gimbal for steady footage, intelligent flight modes for easier filming. Cons: larger and heavier than some other drones in its class, can be difficult to use for beginners. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a powerful compact drone that combines incredible image quality with advanced safety features. With its 1-inch sensor, it captures stunning 5.4K video and 20-megapixel photos with excellent low-light performance. The Air 2S boasts up to 31 minutes of flight time, allowing for plenty of time to capture your aerial shots. Equipped with obstacle sensors on all sides, this drone ensures safer flights, even in more complex environments. Its intelligent flight modes like Master Shots, Smart Photo, and Active Track automate the process of capturing stunning footage. With its compact design and professional-grade features, the Air 2S is an excellent choice for photographers and videographers seeking a portable drone with top-tier capabilities. Pros: 1-inch sensor for high-quality images and videos, 5.4K video and 20-megapixel photo quality, advanced obstacle sensors on all sides, intelligent flight modes for automated shots. Cons: No 10-bit color for video. Battery life is shorter than some larger drones. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is a flagship drone that sets the standard for both aerial photography and videography. Featuring a dual camera system with a 20-megapixel Hasselblad camera and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, the Mavic 3 delivers stunning image and video quality. It supports 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and up to 46 minutes of flight time, offering plenty of range for both long photo sessions and cinematic video production. With intelligent flight modes like APAS 5.0 and ActiveTrack 5.0, the Mavic 3 makes it easy to create smooth, dynamic shots. Whether you're shooting sprawling landscapes or tight action shots, the Mavic 3 is an all-around powerhouse that offers professional-grade performance. Pros: dual camera system with Hasselblad and telephoto lenses, 5.1K video and 20-megapixel photo quality, 46 minutes of flight time, advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes. Cons: expensive, targeted toward professionals, larger and heavier than smaller drones. Number 1. DJI Inspire 3. The DJI Inspire 3 takes the top spot for 2025, offering unparalleled performance and image quality for serious professionals. With its full-frame 8K camera, it produces exceptional video and photo quality, making it the go-to choice for filmmakers, aerial cinematographers, and commercial drone operators. The Inspire 3 features advanced obstacle sensors and an upgraded flight control system, ensuring smooth and stable flying even in challenging conditions. With up to 45 minutes of flight time, the Inspire 3 is perfect for lengthy shoots, and its professional-grade flight modes, such as ActiveTrack Pro and Focus Track, provide precise control for complex operations. This drone is built for those who demand the best in every aspect, whether for creative projects or high-precision commercial use. Pros: full-frame 8K camera for unmatched image quality, advanced obstacle sensors and smooth flight performance, up to 45 minutes of flight time, professional-grade flight modes for precise control, ideal for commercial and filmmaking use. Cons: extremely expensive, geared towards professionals, large and bulky, not suited for casual or recreational use. There you have it, the best drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, there's a drone out there for you. From budget-friendly options to high-end models with 8K cameras, these drones will help you elevate your flying experience. Let us know which one you're most excited to try, or if you've already used any of these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more drone reviews and updates.